Hi, everybody. I'm Steve Garrett from Corvette Today, the only current podcast dedicated to Corvette at www.corvettetoday.com. This is my 70th anniversary white pearl metallic tri-coat C8 Corvette. I had the honor of getting a Soul Performance Products exhaust, an aftermarket exhaust. Soul Performance Products is the official performance exhaust for Corvette Today. Soul Performance makes aftermarket exhaust and performance exhaust for different brands like BMW, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Audi, Mercedes, McLaren. And I got one. Wanted to show it to you. And I'm going to do a startup for you, a cold startup. First of all, get close to the tips, show you what I've got there. You can see the new diffuser here and the wing back here. And this is a cold start. This is sat overnight. I have not heard it yet before myself, so I'm going to do a cold start for you and you can hear what the Soul Performance exhaust sounds like. Man, that sounds awesome. That's what a Corvette exhaust should sound like. Go to soulpp.com, SOULPP.com, and check out Soul Performance Products, the official performance exhaust of Corvette Today.